because as I connect these 2 points, we want this line to be straight, because this line is what you will base your lettering on. And a long horizontal line going the length of the engine, the naked eye will see if it's going at an angle. Now, the Union Pacific red stripe has a zigzag in it, and again, it's important to see where this zigzag is going. This zigzag happens right at the first engine room door. So put that zigzag right at the first engine room door, and once again, where does this lower zigzag go? And look forward for a place where it's exactly going, and it exactly goes right at the bottom of the cab window. So the bottom of the cab window is 1 3/4 inches. So at 1 3/4 inches, but then you kind of, at 1 3/4 inches, you look at where your zigzag was and you say to yourself, well, the zigzag is a little tiny bit, that makes my zigzag be a little tiny bit not big enough. So you can allow a little bit of give here. So maybe make it go right under the cab window. And what you should do is make it go under the cab window, because you would notice there, and what you would notice is that if you had made it go at the cab window, you would have noticed that the zigzag would have been so small that the Union Pacific zigzag would have been so noticeable if it were half the size of the prototypical one. And if you make it just go slightly under the cab window, that is far less noticeable. But if you're making it go under the cab window, do not continue the stripe through the cab window, because the Union Pacific stripe, if you look at it, does not go through the cab window. Now, it continues on the other side of the cab window, and continue it on the other side of the cab window. Now, that is the only place of the red stripe, because on modern Union Pacific engines, the bottom is yellow.